back into this house until you have perfect grades.
I got a 99.
That's not good enough. You're a disappointment to this family.
Yo, give me the money. Give me the money or else I'll be your honey.
Yo, man, I can make you big. If you come to my basement tomorrow, I can show you a good time.
I'll be there tomorrow, Chief.
I'm glad you made it. I see you brought your own script. Alright, let's start.
Super Bowl was a bust. When Tom makes out with his kids, it's kind of sus. His wife looks like a man, his face is like a can. This would explain why he kisses his coach on the lips on the job. A big scary man broke into his house and he got robbed. The robber's name was Bob.
That was not it. Let's try again.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Listen, man, this is not going well. Let's just go to lunch and we'll talk about it over there. Listen, man, you're trash. I've never heard worse flow in all my years and I've produced 6-9.
Please just give me another chance.
I don't think I can. It's a big risk for a high-end producer like me.
You legit have sweatpants on.
Good point. When my main man Takashi went to jail, so did my career.
Hello, gentlemen. How's your meal?
It's great.
I overheard you talking. I think I can help.
How so?
Yo. My mans can do anything, bro. One time I made my mama cry by rapping over a box of milk.
Alright, if you use this hype man, you can have the job.
Alright, let's do this tomorrow.
Alright, man, this is your last try.
Little Chris, my bars bring you bliss. I take out my clock, I get to guff with my drip. Oh, I'm coming through, yes, I'm coming through. If you scrap with my homies, I'll be scrapping with you, creeping in my hood. Yeah, I don't like that. I put the Oakleys on my face. You are alright with that?
346 minutes later.
Kid, you did it. You made it big.
Then I made hundreds.
You're making more than hundreds. You're making millions.
For real?
It can only go up from here.
What did I make?
Nothing.
Oof.
Yo, what's up, my boy? But when I pick up a rock, yes, I am nice with that. I am in the studio, slight pause, grinding for free, so you all can see the real me, expose the fake rappers, they just want your money. I'm a Mormon, I have 30 wifeys, I have a Rolex on my wrist, it's so icy, got a mama who makes me so go spicy. Got it.
Hey! We want you to come home, son. Come home, Schmupsy Poo.
No, you guys kicked me out because of a stupid grade. Now you came back because I have money, fame, and a house 10 times bigger than yours. Get out of my sight. Get out now! Now! Alright? Little Chris, my bars bring you bliss. I take out my clock, I get to guff with my drip. Oh, I'm coming through, yes, I'm coming through.